49 big block Chevrolet, just got done running. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it, as you can see. It's got an Edelbrock manifold, MSD Pro billet, your Holley carburetor, the hydraulic roller. Had that custom brought by comps, J&E Pistons. Got the March setup, alternator, power steering. Make sure the alternator charges for you. And I'll take you in and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, it is 551 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 563, really flat. Peak horsepower 592, rated 600. It's got a front end that's about 20 horsepower, so everything's good. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.